We have been waiting for
Yeah,
okay. Just small.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Well, my victory today is not my victory. It is a victory for Team Congress. The entire Congress party, D.K. Shivkumar, the PCC president, Mr. Siddaramaiah, the CLP leader, the chief whips, all the MLAs, everybody voted, not a single invalid vote. It's really a victory for teamwork and team effort. It is Team Congress that has won. My young colleague Mansur Ali Khan deserves full credit for his fighting spirit. He has exposed the link between the JDS and the BJP. The JDS is the B team of the BJP, and Mansur Ali Khan today has proved that. I want to thank the Congress President, Srimati Sonia Gandhi, for giving me this opportunity. I want to thank the former Congress President, Shri Rahul Gandhi, for giving me this opportunity. And most of all, I want to thank the PCC President, the CLP leader, and all the Congress MLAs for the united teamwork that we have done over the last 10 days. Mr. Devegowda to be Prime Minister in 1996. The Congress enabled Mr. Kumaraswamy to be Chief Minister of Karnataka. 2 years ago, the Congress gave full support to Mr. Devegowda out of respect for the fact that he was former Prime Minister to become a member of the Rajya Sabha. We expected some gratitude from the JDS. We expected some reciprocity from the JDS, but clearly the JDS is the B team of the BJP.
Sir, next election is it going to affect the state elections? Okay, sir. Thank you.